It is another beautiful sunny day, and unlike yesterday, we're seeing temperatures rebound back into the double digits, so that is a nice change. It's a step in the right direction, and it's going to be even warmer as the weekend progresses. Unfortunately, we're going to lose those crystal clear blue skies that are apparent on our visible satellite imagery. Already starting to see some high clouds streaming in towards the southwest, and that's just the beginning of a thickening of the cloud cover. Rain is in the forecast for Saturday, and then Sunday the risk of showers and maybe even a thunderstorm. So enjoy today. 12 degrees in London, it's 12 in Windsor, it's 10 now in Peterborough and Ottawa, 9 in Montreal. Look at this turnaround from yesterday. Everybody ranging from 4 to about 8 degrees warmer than yesterday at noon. Environment Canada advising that there could be up to 30 millimeters of rain with this upcoming system. That's for central and northern parts of the province. Lesser amounts to the south. The winds are now picking up. They're from the east, and that means it is a bit cooler right by the lake compared to some surrounding areas. 17 this afternoon in London, 13 in Montreal. We'll talk more about the weekend, the best times to get outside, coming up in just a few.
The body of the Laval man.
Welcome back. The sun is out. It is just beautiful out there, and the city is coming alive. Not just Toronto, Montreal as well, and all of the other communities. Excited. I know residents are excited for that last weekend of April, where it's going to start feeling like, well, late May, actually, by Sunday. We're going to have some clouds and showers, though. Not for today. Today is the sunny one. Winds from the east, 20 to 40 kilometers per hour. And then overnight tonight, we drop down to 6, but those clouds will thicken up. And as you get up on Saturday morning, there's likely to be some rain falling, and it'll be mostly morning and early afternoon wet weather around the Greater Toronto area. We save a rather nice day for Saturday through eastern Ontario and Quebec. Sunday is when there could be some rain. 7 degrees right now in Quebec City. It's 11 in Winnipeg, 10 in Saskatoon, 9 in Vancouver. And as we check in on the radar and satellite imagery, this is the system that has already provided quite a bit of severe weather south of the border. Another day of it expected, especially with the heating this afternoon. And then all of that moves towards the Great Lakes. It's already impacting Chicago with clouds and rain later. So it's just a matter of time, and our Futurecast model shows an initial round of rain right here. This is the morning on Saturday, and then that tends to fizzle out as it pushes east, and then we get a renewed chance of showers, maybe even a thunderstorm Saturday night. And then on Sunday, most of the wet weather starts in the southwest. We end up with nice conditions for a time, and then it moves up to the north. So it's not an all-day rain, and that is why we're forecasting a high of 24 degrees, the warmest since last fall. 18 on Monday, and then rebounding above 20 for Tuesday and Wednesday. It starts to dry out, but there are still those shower chances every couple of days next week. Now for Montreal, not quite as warm on Sunday. Showers and 19 degrees, 14 on Monday, and then warming back up through the middle of the week. Candace?
Okay, thanks, Anthony, and thank you at home for tuning in to Global News at noon. Have a fantastic rest of your Friday and a wonderful weekend.
And let's find out what's in store for the weekend. And Bill's first look at the local forecast. How you doing, Bill?
Not bad. I wish I could get you another day of sunshine, but that cloud is moving in tomorrow morning early, and so mostly clear tonight. Mild tonight, though. Last few nights we've been dipping into the minus range, and not the case tonight. Southerly winds taking over, 20 to 40 kilometers per hour. That's helping to bring temperatures up. We saw that through the day as well. We managed to hit double digits. A nice 13 or 14 in Kingston. Some areas saw it even higher. 12 is where it'll be tomorrow, so not quite up to the 15, which is now the seasonal average for a daytime high, but we are looking at double digits at least, and some rain developing. Belleville, probably late morning. Kingston, around noon. Brockville, Smiths Falls, a few hours later, but everybody's going to get a taste of this wet weather. We'll let you know how long it lasts, and when we get back to some sunshine, I think you'll be pleased with the temperatures in our long range. Details in just a moment.
First Windows and Doors. For premium products, award-winning service, and professional installations, visit aubin.com.
Weather is brought to you by your locally owned Midas in Belleville, Brockville, and Kingston. With the industry's best warranties and over 1,000 five-star reviews, come and experience the Midas difference.
Nice to see sunshine today and better temperatures. I mean, it was clear yesterday, but a little on the cool side. Those northerly winds are out of the way. We're into a southerly flow now, so we managed to get to double digits. We hope to see double digits again. Excuse me, we're having a little difficulty here with our boards. Now, this is where we should be. Okay. Currently. Yeah, we're having a real good time here. Just give me 2 seconds. There we go. All right. So here are your daytime highs. This is where we should be. 13 degrees for a high in Kingston today. Nice to see the double digits. 15 in Brockville. It was probably closer to a 15 away from Lake Ontario today for Kingston. 14 in Smiths Falls and Ottawa. 14 in Belleville, Peterborough at 14. 13 in Oshawa and 12 in Toronto today. So seasonal, I would call that seasonal. We're sitting at 13 now. There's southeasterly winds at about 7 kilometers per hour. So they're barely moving, but still enough to just sort of help keep those temperatures up tonight. We may find those winds pick up a little bit this evening, and luckily I don't think we're going to drop down into the minus range like we have been for the last couple nights. No precipitation today, and about 3 more minutes of daylight for you as well. So there's the high pressure. We have 3 centers of high pressure that were sort of keeping the skies clear for a couple days. They're moving out of the way now. We've got a series of lows pushing through. The first one brings in a heck of a warm front, so it's nice to be able to pull those temperatures back out of the freezing overnight, and those single-digit daytime highs will be back to double digits. But we pay the price with some shower activity, periods of rain, in fact, for some of us. Maybe even some thunderstorms at times. Environment Canada is not saying risk of thunderstorms for eastern Ontario, but then I take a look at some forecast models from other independent sources, and I'm seeing this probability, so I wouldn't rule it out. We do have not just that first low bringing in the chance of showers, but we have a series of lows moving in. So there may be at times where it looks like it's coming to an end, and then that probability moves in again. So there comes that increase in cloud. Probably a little bit of shower activity by noon, probably late morning, Belleville, around noon. Saturday for Kingston. It may take a little longer, a few more hours before it reaches Brockville, Smiths Falls, of course. And then that shower activity will wrap up in the evening, or it'll appear to be out of the way. But we're hanging on to that probability of showers as we see that frontal boundary sort of skirting the shores, the north shores of Lake Ontario. We never really get rid of the cloud coverage, though it may look like you're going to see some breaks in the cloud. It's sort of dominates the forecast. And then as you roll into Sunday afternoon, we see that probability increase. So it drops to like a 60% through the day, and then by the evening it's right back up there again. That probability of showers probably on and off right up until, well, sometime Monday morning. Hoping for a reduction by Monday, Belleville, and then you're looking at a mix of sun and cloud. However, another low will reach you by Tuesday. Excuse me, let's not get ahead of ourselves. Belleville 13 and showers for tomorrow. Rain developing. In fact, for Sunday, it's a high of 22. Nice to see those temperatures, but a little on the soggy side. 60% probability of showers Monday, up to about 18, and just a 40% probability. Brockville, it's a high of 17, and rain developing in the afternoon tomorrow. For Sunday, you rise to 21 Celsius and a good chance of showers. Monday, up to 16, mostly cloudy, and that probability of showers probably working back in on Tuesday. Smiths Falls up to 17, the chance of showers by mid-afternoon. Sunday a high 22, and still a good chance of showers or light rain. Monday a 60% chance of showers through the morning, a high of 14 that day, and then the probability of showers drops to about 30-40% in the evening. Kingston, your forecast, showers developing at around noon tomorrow with a high of 12. 19's your high Sunday. Cloudy with some sunny periods, but you're still hanging on to about a 60% chance of showers. It reduces to 40% a little later in the day. And then Monday, a mix of sun and cloud and a 40% chance of showers, a high 17. That increase in cloud overnight, though, leads to more showers Tuesday as another low reaches us. Wednesday, a mix of sun and cloud up to 16 and up to 18 on Thursday, and a mix of sun and cloud. Nice to see a break from the showers for a couple days. Friday, though, you're right back into it again. with wet weather and a high of 17. Now your weather wallpaper.
Weather Wallpaper is brought to you by Christine Geary's Maple Leaf Tours Travel Cruise. Visit mapleleaftours.com to get into the picture.
Mama and baby ducks. Not just one of them. If you look close enough, you can see there's more than one duck under her wing. I love this time of year because you get to see all the animal babies. Keep taking those pictures. Thanks to Paul Lance of Belleville for sharing these two photos. You can see there's a few more hiding under Mama's wing there. This is amazing. Thank you so much, Paul, for sending those in. And that is a Canada goose, I believe.
Good. Well, honk if you see them. Bill, I think with the temperatures creeping up, garden enthusiasts will be waiting to pounce on flowers and buying all kinds of stuff, right?
Yes. Yes.
I know it's a little early to plant them in the ground, but you can certainly look at them.
Seeding and keeping them in the porch or in the house somewhere. Yeah, for sure.
And they'll certainly get their share of rain, that's for sure. But not a total washout. Your satellite map didn't have wall-to-wall rain.
No, no. That we're hanging on to at those low points, 40% probability through Sunday. It looks pretty good, actually. So.
Okay, we'll look for that. And your 10-day outlook is coming up. Thank you, Bill. Mike, well, Bill, I guess temperature is on the rise in the 10-day outlook.
Yes, a little bit of wet weather with that, too, as we see showers developing tomorrow afternoon across eastern Ontario, a high 12. Nearly 20 degrees in Kingston. In fact, some parts in eastern Ontario on Sunday will exceed 20 degrees as we see that chance of showers staying with us. Monday, it diminishes a bit, but we don't let go of it entirely. A 40% probability of showers, high of 17. Temperatures dropping off again, but still seasonal Tuesday with a high 14. The chance of showers returns in a higher probability at 80%. Wednesday, a high of 16, a mix of sun and cloud, more of the same on Thursday with a high of 18. Two beautiful days right in the middle of the week. Friday, high 17, the chance of showers returns. We do have a chance of showers again Saturday and into Sunday. It does clear up. Clear on Monday, too, and looks like some sunshine for Sunday and Monday.
Okay, well, I guess that's pretty good considering what we've been dealing with lately. We'll be right back.
Much better, yeah.
Your long-range weather.
$80.
Brought to you by your locally owned Midas of Eastern Ontario, with lifetime guarantees on brakes, suspension, exhaust, and now on tires. Come and experience the Midas difference.
A little milder today and lots of sunshine, getting even milder. I'd even dare to say warm in the near future. Well above normal anyway. But we're going to pay the price with some showers. We could see some wet weather lasting a couple days. 13 was your high today. 15 is now the seasonal norm for a daytime high in Kingston. That's what they had in Brockville. 14 in Smiths Falls, Ottawa, Belleville as well. Peterborough had 14 too. And 13 in Oshawa, 12 in Toronto today. So everybody within the seasonal range. 5 degrees for a low tonight, a little mild. A lot better than those cooler temperatures. We were down to minus range over the last couple nights. Mostly clear conditions too. The southerly winds gusting up to 40 through the overnight. 12 will be your high tomorrow, so temperature slipping a bit, but still in the double digits as we've seen rain developing in the afternoon. Probably late morning in Belleville, but Smiths Falls probably won't see it until mid to late afternoon. But everybody's going to get a taste of this wet weather. We'll have all the details for you in just a moment.
You're watching CKWS News at 11.
Well, we'll say goodbye to that sunshine. Yes, that cloud is rolling in early in the morning. We will see that cloud coverage quite heavy. There will be a warm front, though, so we're going to benefit from this warm front in one way, that the temperatures are going to climb a little. We have some wet weather developing, though. In the afternoon, we're going to see showers. By the evening, that probability drops off again, but then we get into, yes, another cold front, a subsequent warm front, so that's going to bring temperatures down a little, then back up again as we see more shower activity moving in, as we have a couple lows that are phasing over the Great Lakes on the weekend, and that's going to perpetuate not solid wall-to-wall rain all weekend long, but you are looking at that probability through Saturday, Sunday, and even into Monday in a small way at 40% probability. Come Tuesday, another low will probably reach us with even more showers, so it sort of thins out Monday, but we get back into it again. Belleville, a high 13 tomorrow. Showers developing late morning. Sunday, a high 22. Yes, quite nice. And the chance of showers still there at about 60% probability. Monday, it's a high of 18 with a mix of sun and cloud, and yeah, still a small probability of showers. Brockville up to 17 degrees. Rain developing through the afternoon. Sunday, a high 21. Still a pretty good chance of showers or light rain. And Monday, a high 17, a 40% chance of showers on your mostly cloudy day. Smiths Falls rising to 17 Celsius tomorrow. Rain developing through the afternoon. For Sunday, a high 22, 80% chance of showers. That reduces to 60% by the evening. Monday, mostly cloudy, a high 15, and still a 60% chance of showers. We may see that drop to 40% by the evening. Kingston, your forecast up to 12 Celsius tomorrow. A good chance of showers or periods of light rain. We are looking at a high of 19, nearly 20 degrees. You want to bet north of the 401. It will be above 20. Mostly cloudy and a good chance of showers still Sunday. Monday, a high 17, mix of sun and cloud and a small chance of showers. For Tuesday, back into another low pressure system bringing more showers. A high 14. A break from the rain over Wednesday and Thursday with a mix of sun and cloud and temperatures nearly 20 degrees by Thursday, a high 16 Friday, and a good chance of showers again.